Although this layout itself is really simple, by this I mean all we need is 2 chairs and the circle light, as shown here. I think that this is actually quite an important layout to have, just because I will be using this quite a lot, just so then I can get some close shots of my models. I really like this idea of having an almost like an interviewy thing, just so then I can include some of those, what are they called? So then I can include some more quotes and different things like that, which are really important to have in your magazine. Yeah, I know that I want to be able to play around with the angles, so I may take the photo from exactly through, or I might take it to the side. I might step back and get a little bit of the ring. I'm not sure, I like this idea of having an almost like a feature for the camera, which is just like a circle, so then the images like instantly fade instead of having to edit them. But it could be quite interesting and nice to play around with, which is what I really want to do. I might ask, there's loads of possibilities. You could get them to stand up, sit down, look over their shoulder. I think that this idea though of looking through the light is a really nice idea though, which I'm definitely happy to include.